Hi everyone, this is Tonya Lawrence. I just wanted to do a quick overview on how to get the most out of your iGo platform. So I'm going to share my platform with you and show you some tips and tricks to use when you're looking at your platform. So here is my platform. Again, this is a ambassadors platform. Free customers will not have some of these features, but this is what we have as ambassadors. We can save up to 70%. So a couple things to look at. Your rewards credits. I don't have that many right now because I use my rewards credits to buy gift cards and different things that are available. So I buy gift cards and I go shopping with my rewards credits, or when I have rewards credits, I'll use them to help book a hotel or anything else. So you can earn rewards credits from taking a flight or cruise or anything, but then use those future rewards credits on anything else available on the site. The My Account button, if you need to change anything like your phone number, your address, look up things about your account, you can do that under My Accounts. But here we are. Here is our site. As you can see, I was looking up a hotel room for our trip to Vegas, which is coming up in August. So excited about it. And the first available room with the biggest discount was at the Tropicana. And you'll see it's a 46% discount. It shows you how many stars are available. It shows you the average night's price, and then this total savings you get and your total price. So once you go here, you can select a room, and then it goes through specifically, do you want a king bed? Do you want two queens? Whatever accommodations are available, and it gives you more details on the actual hotel. So you can find out the description, check in, check out, anything that you need to know about that site. And so here are some of the options. They have the guest rooms, they have two queen beds, room with a balcony, and city views. Many of them will have suites available if there's any suites left, but those are some of your options, and you just click on and complete your purchase there. A couple other things I want to show you. If you are looking for the biggest discount, you're going to start here, and it will automatically list the highest discount available. It checks the prices of all different websites every 10 minutes. And on our ambassador site, it actually gives us an extra feature where we can see currently what all the other websites are charging for this same room. So the public price, the cheapest one they found was $755, and that's where they start with our 46% off. Okay, you see price line was $765. Our 46% actually starts at the lowest price, so you know that. Let's see, if you want to look for specifically a 5-star location, you can rate it by, you can sort it by the rate. So go highest rating. So the highest 5 stars down. You can rate it by price. I always look for the savings. I look at the best savings and then what accommodations are there. And just a tip for you to know, 5-star doesn't mean that it's the best or prettiest location. 5-star means the level of service you receive. Okay, your stars reflect the level of service you receive. So you can have a beautiful location without service. Maybe housekeeping only comes 2 times a week. If you're staying at a villa for a week, then they may not have a 5-star rating. If you need a specific hotel because you're going with a group of people, or you know your favorite place to stay, you can go ahead and type it in there and then submit, and it will pull up that specific location for you. All right, some other goodies. Let's say you say, you know what, I'm not just going to go to Vegas for the convention with iBoomerang. I want to go and stay for a full week. You click on the weeks button. And again, it's going to start searching. I'm going to put in Nevada. Oh, they even have it broken down. Las Vegas has its own section. Put the date in, and it usually runs Saturday to Saturday. Now, when I'm using the weeks button, I go ahead and I give it the option to go within 35 days of that date. But since I would be looking for specifically for a conference, you put in within 7 days. You hit the search. And I do that because I have the flexibility to travel and I am always looking for the best value. Where can I go, a 5-star location where they're going to pay for me and pay the least amount of money? So on the weeks button, you will see that you can stay at the Westgate Las Vegas Casino and Resort. It's a 4-star hotel for $165 for 8 days, 7 nights. That's it. That's the total price for 8 days, 7 nights. Usually most of these rooms accommodate 2 people. Some of the rooms, when you click on it to actually select it, will accommodate 4 or 8, however many, if they have a pull-out bed or anything. You see you have rewards credits that come with each room. They let you know that up front. But again, look at that. It's phenomenal. 8 days, 7 nights in Las Vegas for $165. Tell all your friends, guys. Tell everyone. We have cruises on here. I love the cruises, but they have ocean cruises, cruise packages, river cruises, sailboats, and yachts. So if you just want to go rent a yacht or a sailboat, you can do that here. But look at these cruise packages. You pick your destination. Where are we going to meet out of? I put any date, any cruise line. Oh, I need a date, sorry. How easy that is. They actually tell you what you need. All right, so here are some of the options. Right now, you see September of this year, you have a 7-night cruise to Eastern Caribbean on Carnival Pride for $582. Not only do you get the cruise, but you get 1 year of the emergency travel services membership. That's a value of $179. Doesn't everyone need emergency travel services? But in addition to that, you get a 7-night resort stay at a location in Mexico, separate from the cruise. So you go on the cruise for $582, but separately, you get a whole separate 7-day trip somewhere, and you can click on the button to see the specific details for the hotel room that they're going to give you tied to that. And the options are limitless. Just pick wherever you want to go, book it on here. Again, we have cars, we have flights. The flights, you have comparable flights, the prices for domestic flights. I've flown domestically and the prices were about the same as I could find on any other website. But then international is where I've seen the biggest discount and the shortest time frame. So definitely love it for international flights when I book here. The homes button gives you the same kind of inventory that you're going to see on VRBO or Airbnb. So this is great. When this opens up, it's checking all the prices and the inventory, pulling it up. So you just click where you want to go. You put that in for homes. The marketplace, another great place to save. Okay, this must be my internet. We have everyone home using the internet, so it's moving a little bit slower. But the marketplace again gives you great prices. And these are, these are 8 day, 7-night stays at various locations. This one is, who knows? I don't know who wants to go to Missouri right now, but this one's $54 per night. If you needed to go to Pennsylvania for any reason, you want to go to the Poconos, $37 per night. So guys, same kind of inventory that you're going to see on Airbnb, VRBO. We have it here and you can get it for a discounted price. And look at all those options. So you can narrow it down to where you want to go just by selecting the location. The activities, love this. My family is very active. When we go away, everyone wants to do something. So you can put in a destination. Let me put Miami. Florida's opening up. Let's see what's available in Miami for activities. It's going to start with the least expensive activity and then go up in price. But look at the category. Break it down by Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, or Miami. But then also, here's a list of all the different things available as far as activities are concerned. And you can go on airboat rides, drinking and walking tours, you name it, they have it on here. We would typically go on a trip to Paradise Island in the Dominican Republic every time we went. And I said, oh, let me just try for kicks to see if it's available on here. And it was. I was just flabbergasted. So you'll see the savings that you can get in green, which each one of these. So you save a few dollars. Maybe more people can go now that you save money. But again, the activities are there. Lifestyles. If you're a golfer, you definitely want to go here first and make sure that you're getting the best price for golf. Gift cards. Like I said, I've used my rewards points to buy gift cards. Luxury residences. If you have something special coming up, you can go here to the luxury residences. These are going to be homes that are $1 million or more. Customers don't have access to this, only us ambassadors, because they need to make sure that they're going to be reliable people renting these homes. But you pick a location. Let's see, we'll go with Miami again. Definitely based on availability. When it's a home, of course, only one person can be in the home at a time. So they don't have any homes for that specific date, but you can go on here and play around. These are $1 million homes. Look like this one on this picture in the background. All around the world, you put your location, where you want to go, how many people you need to stay there, and you can book for them. This is where you deposit your timeshares on the deposit week. Something else that may be key for you, we have a large family. My husband and I, 4 children, son-in-law, grandson. And so when we book, let's say if I am booking for everyone, I'm going to put in the destination. I'm going to put in how many rooms I need. I might need 2 rooms, one for my oldest daughter, her boyfriend and grandson, and then one for the rest of the family. I might need 3 if I don't want any kids in the room with me. And so now we have another 18-year-old that we can stick in a room with another kid. So you might want three rooms. And so as a family, this is where I will book for my entire family. I'm not going to book for my girlfriend under my site or for my cousin under my site. I'm going to give them their own boomerang so that they can book everything themselves. They can have their own accommodations. They get in, and then whatever they save is what I earn. So you're traveling with a group of friends, help them save money, earn some money, and end up paying for your trip at the same time. So just wanted to share some of my tips and tricks with you. Hope this was helpful. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions.